Fidget's finished. So, I have a couple here. So, I have an orange one. So an orange one, a white one, a white glowing dot, a green glowing dot, and a normal black one with red bearings. We'll be doing a giveaway of squirmies. So these things are basically, so when someone on the tip of the nose, they go all over your hands, but sometimes you get them with string and then you put them down. So, giving away like boxes of Lego cars, boxes of these wee things. That's just a part of. So it's going to be a race, so let's just get straight into it. So the race begins now. They have to spin them. Oh, that one moved already. This one is disqualified. Comment below who do you think will win. Green, white, or light up white or orange. You guys, which one's going to win? 3 of them are stopping. I think that was going to win. Disqualified. If you pick this guy, sorry, you're wrong. Disqualified. And disqualified if you pick them. No, you're wrong. The white one. The boss has won. So let's try and spin. Let's make a big tower.
So the new 5 ruble, eh? Get out of my shop.
Right, so let's have a race against. So that one will lose. Hey guys, I have made a fidget toy. So this keeps that bit on, that bit kind of get rid. So like you could spin it, just fidget with it, like I could do it. And do that stuff. So that. Wait 1 second. Okay guys, I got another one, black one, but look at the bearings. How different is it to bearings? So let's have a race. So again, comment what do you want to win? Just give them some space so they can spin. There we go. So spinning me a clock. the orange one's slowing down. Wait, the black one's slowing down, that usually spins proper. Disqualified if you pick this. And disqualified if you pick this. These two were wrong, guys, so. And so this one's disqualified. And that one's disqualified. The white one is the quickest. And so, I hope you enjoy the video. So yeah, Fidget spinner, the white one. Comment below what's your favourite one. Is it this white one? Is it this, the black with the red bearings? Or is it this, the light up green one? Or is it this? Go to squirmy. Or is it this one with the cool bearings? Or is it this cool light up one? Smiley faces. Oh, the orange one. So guys, how to get these is subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, and comment below what's your favourite and what you thought what would win. So bye.